Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. We continue for the topic 3, part 2, creative business problem solving. In this part, we will cover the definition and the creativity technique and tools. Let's start. We start with the definitions of creative problem solving. Creative problem solving is a flexible and open-ended processes that encourage the explorations of potential solutions without the needs for predefined problem. It less structured than other innovation processes, focusing instead of fostering creativity and developing new perspective. This method also can be beneficial for finding creative solutions to complex problems, adapting to change, and fueling innovation and growth within a company. There are many creativity techniques and tools, but for this topic, we only cover four. There is a brainstorming, checklist method, role playing, and scamper method. We will discuss further in the next slide. The first creative technique tools is a brainstorming. So brainstorming is a technique for generating new ideas, solving complex problems, and making better decisions. It also enables people to think freely and creatively when trying to come up with the ideal solution or sharing knowledge. So here are some creative technique and tools for brainstorming. So the first one is the reverse brainstorming. So this involves starting with a solution and then working backward to understand the problem itself. It's useful for generating ideas from a desired outcome. The second one is a brain writing. Participants write down ideas as they come to mind without judgment. This encourages a free flow of ideas and help in capturing a wide range of thoughts. So the last one will be the imaginations. So with this, participants are asked to imagine a solution to a problem in the creative and imaginative way. So this technique encourages thinking outside the box. So for example, brainstorming, a team of designer, engineer, or marketers can brainstorm for a new smartphone. So the team include product market expert and individual with pure knowledge about issue with the current product iteration, customer feedback, and gap in the marketplace. With this, they might use technique like mind mapping to organize idea around the key features. Brand writing also can be used to generate a wide range of ideas and backcasting to ensure the product meet feature needs. With these collaborative efforts could lead to innovative features and improvement that address current market gaps and consumer needs. By understanding and applying this brainstorm technique, individual and organization can unlock their creativity potential, drive innovation, and make better decisions. The second creative technique tool is the checklist method. Checklist method is known as Osborne checklist technique. It's a structured approach to identification that builds upon an existing product or services. This method involves creating a list of attributes or features of the existing product and then brainstorming ways to improve or modify this attribute. So the first step, identify the existing product. A smartphone with its various attributes such as display quality, battery life, camera quality, processor speed, storage capacity, and operating system. The step 2 will be create a checklist of attributes that I already explained before. The third step will be the brainstorming improvement, where there are many ways to improvement. So such as modified. So if you choose the modified, maybe we can improve the display quality with higher resolution and better color accuracy. Or maybe we can use integrate a smartwatch features into the smartphone, allowing for the health tracking and notification. Or we also can choose rearrange, prioritize battery life by optimizing the processor speed and camera quality. So this is all in the brainstorming improvement step. So the fourth step is the evaluate and select the ideas. With these integrations of a smartwatch features into the smartphone, is selected for development due to its potential to enhance user experience and help monitoring capability. So the second last step is the develop and tested. So a prototype of the smartphone with the integrated smartwatch feature is developed and tested with the focus group to gather feedback on usability and functionality. And the last step will be the implement and iterate. Based on the feedback, adjustments are made to the design and functionality of the integrated smartwatch features. The final product is then launched to the market. This example illustrates how the checklist method can be applied to innovate a product, in this case, a smartphone. By systematically examining and modifying existing attributes, new ideas can be generated that significantly improve the product or services. This method also encourages creativity and innovation by challenging the status quo and exploring the new possibilities. This checklist method is a powerful tool for the ideation because it provides a structured framework for generating new ideas. It also encourages creative thinking by challenging the existing attributes of a product or services and encourages innovation through improvement. The third creative technique tools is a role playing. Role playing is a creativity technique that involves assuming the identity of another person or character and acting out their thought, feeling, and behavior. Is a highly effective tool for creative problem solving, gaining diverse perspective, exploring complex issues, and expressing different emotion. For example of role playing. So the first one is a conflict resolution. In a team setting, role playing can be used to stimulate a conflict scenario. Participants can take on the role of different team members with conflicting viewpoints. Through role-playing, they can explore various conflict resolution strategies and gain insight into how different perspectives can be addressed. So the next example is a training and education. In a training session for customer service, participants can role-play as customers with different needs and complaints. This allows them to practice empathy, problem solving, and communication skill from the customer perspective. So the next example will be the product development. Product development is for a new product launch. Team members can role play as potential user of the product. This will help in understanding more on user needs, preference, and pain points, leading to more user-centric product development. And the last one will be the marketing strategy. In the brainstorming session for a new marketing campaign, participants can role play as a target customer. This encourages creative thinking about how to appeal to the target audience and what message might resonate with them. Role playing is a powerful technique that allows individuals to step outside their own experience and perspective to gain new insight and generate creative solutions to complex problems. By assuming different roles, participants can explore device viewpoint, empathize with others, and effectively address challenges from multiple angles. The last creative technique tools is a scampered method. Scampered method is a creative problem-solving method that encourages individual and team to think differently and generate innovative solutions. Each letter stands for a different aspect of the technique. For example, substitute, combine, adapt, modify, put to another use, eliminate, and reverse. By systematically applying these 7 strategies, individual and team can explore new perspectives, challenge assumptions, and come up with the unique ideas. For example, imagine you are an entrepreneur looking to develop groundbreaking product. Here how each component or scampered can be used and explained well. So the first one is a substitute. Consider alternative material or technology to improve the performance or sustainability of your product. So the second one is a combine. We can merge different features or functions to create a unique product that caters to multiple needs. The third one will be adapt, where we can modify an existing product to suit a specific target market or context. So the fourth one can be modified, where we can make improvement or alteration to an existing product to enhance its functionality or aesthetic. So the fifth one, we can put to another use, where we can explore more on alternative application or market for your product to expand its reach. And the second last will be the eliminate, where we can identify and remove unnecessary features or components to simplify the product and reduce costs. So the last one will be the reverse, where we the challenge conventional thinking by considering the opposite or reverse of a traditional solution. So that is all the components that we can apply in the scampered method. That's all for topic 3, part 2. Hope you can understand for the whole topic 3. Thank you for watching.